Hi, my name is Yuri Bohun-Chirin. I'm CEO of AIM company. And today I'd like to introduce you our project, Digital Community Safety. It's already running in Kyiv region, and we are looking for opportunities to scale it through other regions of Ukraine and abroad throughout Europe. What it is about? First of all, we collect by all sensors, including video camera, in real time data that let coordinate emergency response in real time. Also, we have opportunity to monitor airspace and drone detection and make reaction very fast and proactive also. We predict potential threats and make our communities not just more safe, but we would like to rebuild the trust in public safety. We started this project and estimated cost is 60,000 euros, which covers safety analysis, concept design and system architecture. We are looking for partners, European tech companies, communities and funds that would like to have a real output, and companies and people that share our vision. For example, you represent municipality, and these challenges we met in Ukraine are extremely actual, and this is a unique value and unique experience that we would like to bring to European communities. So that's what we do, and I'm welcoming you to cooperation, and I hope that our added value, broad added value, will surprise you. So together, forward to victory.